Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to sign up for Google Opinion Reward Survey account. So to get started with a easy guide and easy workaround on how you can easily do that. So the first thing to do is to open your phone app store. So if you're on Android, open your Google Play Store. Then if you're on iPhone, then open your Apple Store, then search for Google Opinion Reward, then tap install or get and wait for it to download. Then after that, once the app was installed on your device, then sign in with your Google account, then choose the Gmail account you want to use. Then after that, set up your profile. To set up, fill in the basic details like age, gender, and interest. Then allow location service if you want more survey. Then after that, finish setup and wait for surveys. You'll get a notification when a survey is ready. Then after that, you can answer survey as they appear and earn reward. Then if you're on Android version, credits go to your Google Play Store balance. Then if you're on iPhone, reward go to your Apple account, PayPal account. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.